Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name's Treywick Ellis, and that's Buck, and we're headed to the lake today. We are going to see if I can get Buck to learn how to swim a little bit better. We're just going to go out there and kind of get him comfortable being in the water at the lake and just see if something kind of clicks for him eventually. He has this thing where he doesn't know how to doggy paddle. He doesn't use his back legs, and so obviously his hind end just kind of sinks, and then his head's sticking straight up just like a puppy would, So I'm just hoping that maybe he needs a little bit more time and a little bit more training to kind of figure out, oh, if I kick my back legs, it won't be so bad. And I've got some errands that I need to run up here. So most of you probably don't know that I'm a real estate agent. So I've got a listing up here on the lake that I need to do some rearranging for the signs and all that good stuff. So yeah, I figured I'd kill two birds with one stone. Come up here, try to teach Buck a little bit of swimming, give him some swimming lessons, and shoot a vlog while I'm at it. And then, take care of some real estate business while I'm up here. So, place that I'm probably going to stop off for lunch, a little cafe there next to the lake. If you're around the Coleman area, you definitely know it. It's Whitlock's. Or if you've been to Smith Lake, I know a lot of Tennessee folks come down and visit Smith Lake during the summer. I'm hoping that it's not too crowded. That's one thing. If it's crowded, Buck may be a little bit too stimulated, or we'll just say that, overstimulated with all of the people, and if there are dogs and whatnot. But I don't really expect it to be too terribly crowded at this time of day, but I guess we'll see. And I will see y'all when we get there. Oh, and I didn't mention the heat index is like 110 today, so we got a kind of an early start. It's 10:30. We're gonna get out maybe for an hour or two and actually be in the water, and then the rest of the time I'll just be driving. I'll be out a little bit, but I don't know about y'all, but 110 on the heat index makes me thankful for air conditioning. Smith Lake Park Bass Fest, first prize $15,000. Looks like they're doing a boat giveaway. I'm not going to go through there because I think you have to pay, check in, or do whatever. So I'm going to go down towards the boat ramp, see if we can still get down to the beaches. See the campground over that way. Got a basketball court, tennis court. Down there's the pool. And there's a putt-putt golf course right over there on the other side of the fence. So it's definitely been a few years since I've been down here. Looks like they put a couple of cabins right next to the boat ramp. See those right there. It's kind of interesting. Probably wouldn't want to stay in there on a Saturday morning because probably get a lot of bass boats coming in. So right there's the main boat ramp for Smith Lake Park. That's the secondary, I guess, parking area. I don't think there's a boat ramp down there. I know that there is a dock. Got one vehicle down there, and a couple of vehicles down here. Some at the pool. So I'm just gonna go down here. All right. Well, gonna see if we can get Buck in the water. It looks a little murky, but that's just because the wind is blowing up the junk around, the dirt. You gotta quit pulling, dog. Can you quit pulling? I think we'll go over here to the edge right here. There's so much trash. I mean, it's summer, post 4th of July, but like, why do people gotta be trash? I mean, if you leave your trash out like this, you are trash, 100%. If you litter, you're trash. You are no better than a piece of trash that you just threw out the window or left behind or whatever. So, just a little rant there. Check out this snail. It's like he dried up inside of it. Never seen a snail like this on Smith Lake before. Alright, let's get the camera set up. It looks nice and shallow and clear right there, so we'll walk out, see if we can get Buck to learn how to swim. Good boy. Ah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Doesn't that feel good? Doesn't that... Hey, look, what do you do? Good boy. Good boy. Come on. That's a good boy. Yeah. That's a good boy. You did a good job. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Did a good job there. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Good boy. I got you. It's all right. Good boy. Good boy. See how it's so much easier when you're not splashing all over the place? Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. We're going to take a break. That's a good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, come here, buddy. You see? Come here. Good boy. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. It's all right. It's all right. I got you. Good boy. That's a good boy. Come here. Okay. All right. Come here. Hey, quit. Quit. Hey. Hey. Good boy. He said, no, that's enough. All right. Is there people out there? Is there people? All right, let's go. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, come on. Hey, quit. I don't want to go. All right. I think he's telling me something. Biting the leash and trying to pull me back towards shore. I think he's done with the water for today. I guess I'll hang out for a little bit, let him dry off. I left the towels sitting on my front porch today, so hopefully it won't take too long in this hot sun. Come on, Buck. Come on, good boy. Yeah, I think he did pretty good. I think some more of that over time, it'll eventually click. Maybe I can stop back by here on my way back through. So just a little bit more about Buck. This guy is a 4.5-year-old. He's a Vizsla mix. We were told lab, half Vizsla, half lab, which seems to kind of check out. And he doesn't know how to swim. Something living in that hole, buddy. So, been out here trying to teach him how. Yeah, that whole slab fell off, didn't it? Y'all probably can't see. Oh, maybe all of the fish there. Must be a whole bunch of them living up underneath that slab there. All right, let's go get some lunch, buddy. Oh, God. Pretty much just busted my butt right there. That step up was a lot higher than I thought it was going to be. Get in the truck. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Go. Go. Was a good lunch and nice little afternoon stroll up to the lake. I think we made some progress for buck swimming. Y'all do me a favor and leave some words of encouragement for Buck on his journey to learn how to swim. Leave them in the comments, some words of encouragement. Be sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate y'all, and I will catch y'all on the next one.